This one is for Zoe and Mommy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I need to wear my apron.
Hi, today we're gonna make.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're making donuts.
Yeah, so we need 2 cups of flour. The good thing about this is we're not gonna fry it. We're gonna bake it.
Fry
Come on.
it.
One more.
Okay, one more to go.
Then 1.5 cup of sugar.
Okay, I go.
Ooh. And next is 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Where's baking powder go? You need baking powder. You put baking.
We need 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Baking powder. Okay, put it over the bowl.
One.
Okay, one and two.
And then
spoons.
1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon.
Yeah, there's
Ground cinnamon. Okay. Okay. Here's it. Put that in the bowl.
Okay, keep on mixing it. And then 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Here there's 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then 1/2 teaspoon of
smelling.
kosher salt. Here's the salt.
Kosher salt.
Yeah. And then you mix it. Come on, let's mix it. Until it well combined. Oh, baby.
Oops. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Just be careful, okay? Just mix it like that.
We're making an X marks.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Oops.
And then we have here
We need
1 cup and 1/4 of milk.
some
And then we just need 1 egg. You crack it here.
Then crack it and then test it. Look, one yellow
we
egg.
Mix it.
His name was Eggo. It turns into yellow.
And then 2 tablespoons of butter.
Butter.
1. And then 2. And then vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract. We need to get a vanilla extract. Oh man.
We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
I can hold this.
You put here, okay? One.
1, 2.
And we mixed it.
I can mix it.
Right here. And then we mix it. Mix. Be careful when you mix. Just go inside like here. Like that.
I'm still making. That will be fine.
It will be fine. I think that's good. And
Achoo! Achoo!
And then we'll spray our donut. Okay. Come on.
Okay, so Mindy and Kinty and Kinty and
Okay, ready?
go forward, 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 and so tasty, so tasty.
You wanna do it?
Okay. It's hard for me.
The next one.
Okay, this one. Okay, so. Oops, you're pretty. It's like a, it's like a, it's
So,
like a fighting one.
so we're gonna bake it at 350 for 15 minutes.
Hey Google, set the timer for 15 minutes. I'm doing the 15 minutes for this.
Good job, thank you.
We're making donuts. Because me.
So we'll make our cinnamon and sugar mix. So we need half a cup of sugar.
Sugar, some mix.
And then half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay, brown cinnamon. After to put this.
To put it. So guys, we're gonna make our glaze because we're gonna do half cinnamon sugar and half glazed donut. So we need half a cup, no, 1 cup and a half, 1 and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Let's see.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
And the way to spin it a bit.
And then 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. And maybe 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
Extra.
Yeah.
Or we need vanilla.
Mommy will do it.
I will do it. It's not good, it's bad. The time is ready.
Say Google.
Hey Google, here's our timer. 12 donuts.
Yeah, 12.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
What is that?
Donut!
It looks pretty.
How about
There's our donut. Here. You wanna try dipping it?
But it's hot for me.
It's hot. We'll do half cinnamon sugar and then half with the glaze. Okay. Cinnamon sugar.
How about
So
I
you
want
dip here.
to put rainbow sprinkles.
You want rainbow. So you dip here. Maybe you go like this. And then we put it here first. Here, you can put your sprinkles.
Just with
Oh, I think that didn't suck her up. There is our glazed donuts. First the glazed and cinnamon. Okay, you wanna try one?
Guys, this one.
Okay, you move, please, and we can try. Okay, maybe I'll try the cinnamon. You try which one you're gonna try?
I'm gonna try this one.
The cinnamon?
How about this one?
Okay. You go try it. And tell mommy what you think. What do you think?
It's good.
Looks good? Does it taste like donut? Does it taste like donut? Okay, cheers.
That was so good.
You wanna try it? The sugar one? No? Yours is dripping. You're silly. Zoe is silly. Si Zoe?
Ang maganda ate.
Si Zoe maganda?
Yes. Ang maganda princess.
Oh. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Ingat po.
Love po. It's very well.
Yeah, God bless po.
God bless po. How about God bless?
God bless. See you.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.